Hi there you guys, I'm Teddy from BijuTeo Beading with another Christmas festive tutorial for these starry earrings. They are really easy to make and I'll show you step by step, so I'm sure by the end of this video you're gonna be able to make them by yourself. The materials are also really easy to find. They're made only out of seed beads and I'm sure everybody have them in their stock. If you want to support me and see more and more videos like this, it's a good idea to subscribe and hit that bell button to be notified for my new absolutely free upcoming videos. And it's a good idea to do this because sometimes I make my matching jewelries to the ones that I have already done, and you will be able to make beautiful sets for presents or for yourself. So if you want to support me, you could also like, share and comment, and I promise I'll answer to all of your questions down there in the comments. And if you make beautiful jewelries following my tutorials, please share them on my Facebook page that I posted below. I will be so happy to see your creations. You could also check my store and find inspiration and interesting stuff there. And when you buy stuff from there, you support me, my channel and my mission. You could find links down there in description and here at the icon, and in description there is a free USA delivery code. Thank you so much for watching. Now I will start with the list of the materials. Okay guys, so what I need for this video are two colors of 11 seed beads, and I use this beautiful red and golden. Here I use monofilament that is 0.006 inches or 0.15 millimeters. This is nymo size O nylon thread. Don't use monofilament for this one because it won't look good with the monofilament. And here I have ear wires in this golden color, pliers, they are not obligatory, and I use scissors. Now I'm going to take a little more than half an arm span of thread on my needle, and I'm going to start. Okay, and why I say that you should use nylon thread for this one, this is because if you use monofilament your work will start bending. And now I will start by taking 4 of these beautiful seed beads, okay, and I'll slide them down, okay, like this. And what I want to do is make here a knot, okay, and I will make my knot by making a loop and going once, twice. You could do even 3 times through the loop you've made, okay, and pull. In this way you will have a really secure knot, and you could do one more knot as well if you want to be sure that everything will be nice and tight and won't move. Okay, now what I do is that I go through one of my beads here in this direction, and I will continue adding golden beads. Okay, I'm taking one more golden, going here through this one, then I will take one more and pull, one more, and what I do is that I add 4 beads in total between my first 4 beads. Okay, now I have this, and what I do is that I go through the next seed bead here, and I'm going to take 3 red beads, and I'm going here through these golden like this. Then I'm going to take 3 more. Okay, I have 3. Go through this one like that, and I will do this 2 more times. Okay guys, and now I have this, I have the center of my work, and what I want to do is go through these 3 beads in this direction, through the 3 red beads, and here I will take 1 red bead and go through the following red, And from every side I will add one red bead. Where my golden edges are, I will add one red everywhere. Okay, don't worry, it looks a little bit strange at this stage, but you will see how beautifully it will look in the next stage. Okay, just add those 4 red beads here. Okay, now I have my 4 everywhere, and here I will go through this angle bead, and in my next step I'm gonna be adding only golden beads. Okay, and what I need are 3 goldens, and as I'm exiting from this bead I'm going to the next angle bead. Okay, then I'm going to take 3 more, and I'm going to the next angle bead that's sticking out. You see, 3 more. Now at this stage everything that looked not so good in my previous stage will fix and stay really nice. Okay, and you see this element, it looks really cool. You could use it in bracelets, and only this one is so cool. Okay, now I will continue with my next step. So first I will go here through these next 2 golden beads, exiting out of the angle bead. And what I want to take are 5 red beads. Okay, I have my 5 red beads here, and as I'm exiting from this angle bead I'm going to the next angle. Okay, like that. Then I will repeat this. Okay, I have 5, go through the next angle bead like this, 5 again, go here, and continue this until the end of your work. Okay guys, so now this is what I have, and I'm going to start my next row, and for my next row I'm going to 3 red beads. And you see I'm exiting of this central bead. Here I have 1 2, here I have 1 2, and I'm exiting through the central one of my 5, and I'm going to take 7 golden beads. Okay, I have my 7 here, you see, 3 plus 4. Okay, and I'm going here through the next central bead, and here I have 2 2, and this is the central one. If you're not sure which one is the central, just count. Okay, and I have 7 again, and I'm going through the central one, you see, take 7 more. Okay, 7, go through the center, And I will continue this until the end of this row. Okay, and I'm going here through this red one. Okay, now I have this. Now I will have one additional step to make my work look better. Okay, now here go through 3 beads in this direction. Skip this central bead that we will make to look like an angle bead, and go through the following 3 goldens and 1 red. Okay, going here. We are not going through this bead. We are just skipping it and it pops up at this side. Then we will go through these 3 beads here in this direction. Skip the angle bead and go through the following 3 goldens and 1 red. Pull. You see how it comes to the center of your work, but we don't want it to go to the center. We'll pull it to the outside, okay? Like this. Then again, going through these 3 beads here. Skipping the center and go through the following 4. Pull this to the outside edge. Okay, and continue this the same way I showed you, and when I'm up to here I'll be back to tell you how to attach your ear wire. Okay guys, and here I am. I did everything like I showed you in the first 3 steps, and I made a full circle around my work, and now I will go through these 4 beads, and I'm exiting here of this angle bead, the first angle bead that I did in fact. And here I want to attach my ear wire, okay? And I will attach it by taking 1 seed bead, go here, slide it down, go here through my ear wire, and take just 1 more seed bead, okay? Then I will go here in circle, so a seed bead, ear wire, seed bead, and going in circle. Now I'm going to pull, and I'm pulling also my ear wire like that. Then I will go several more times reinforcing my work, okay? Here is how I do this. Okay, and I'm going around several times, and now it's time to make some knots and cut my thread, and I'm going here through these 3 beads at the angle, and here what I want to do is make a knot. So I'm making a loop, I'm going once, I'm going second time through the loop I've made, and I'm pulling, and then I will go through the next seed bead like that, and I'm going to cut my thread. So here it is guys, my earring is ready. I made it with nylon thread. You could use, I think, Fireline. Don't use monofilament because it will start bending, and if you think that it's too soft with this thread, you could go only around the edges with let's say monofilament or Fireline to make it look firmer. Okay guys, and now my Starry Christmas earrings are ready. So if you like them and you want to see more and more videos like this, it's a good idea to subscribe if you still haven't, and hit that bell button to be notified for my new absolutely free upcoming videos for fresh beading ideas. And sometimes I make matching jewelries to the ones that I have already done, so you will be able to make beautiful sets if you just hit that bell button. And if you want to support me, you could also like, share and comment, and I promise I'll answer to all of your questions down there in the comments. And you don't know how much you help me only with this action. And if you make beautiful jewelries following my tutorials, please share them on my Facebook page that I posted below. I will be so happy to see your creations. You could also check my new merch store. You could find it here at the screen and down there in description, and also at the icon, and I have a free USA delivery code down there in description. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye from me.